Khek Noi vậy hả?
Alright, Bao, let's speak in Spanish again, Bao.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Our table knew 3 languages, so we're like, Spanish. They won't know.
Khek Noi.
Nhớ Khek Noi là snow. Thế là để người ta bay đó rồi.
Oh, when I took the photo, I got you in there. No.
Mình nhớ luôn về Khek Noi, lúc snow Khek Noi. Vô to được xe vui vẻ
Newbie. Đi bắt nhóm em được khỏi
Cái một cái ngóc bề họ bây giờ tao luôn cho nó đâu
rồi bao sợ cái lì của nít giàu you're so dry
mình sẽ Khek Noi
Anna
Spade
chắc là của chúng conditioner
để lúc sau nó sẽ Khek Noi sao
conditioner can lead to every day look wow so cute he's so adorable I want him but I'm so scared of him. Before you move over, just buy him in the cage and never take him out. That's what I was planning to do. But then, poor doggy. He'll gain weight. He's fat like me. They can't walk around. Oh, there's another dog over there. I'm staying inside. Are we still sleeping in hotels?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. Okay, good. No, we're sleeping here.
Let's buy a chicken.
cái chicken tôi trộn ba
Let's buy a dog. That's the cage. Look at it.
Oh, look at that dog, he's sleeping.
Are we gonna tell him about you right now? Whoa. I want to go to the great South Park? What is South Park? No?
cứu nó môi họ
So in Thailand, people burn a lot of things, right?
Yes.